Now we'll see about how to add a new field in the existing table maintenance generator. So in the previous session, I have created table maintenance generator for this table, that is ZEMP_master. But after that, I have added a new field, that is employee designation, in this table. Now if you see the table maintenance generator which we have created in the previous session, so we don't have a designation field in that. Okay, so now we'll see about once we add that field into this table, how to add this field on the TMG. So there are two methods. Either we can directly go from here, utilities, table maintenance generator, and double click on this screen number, or second thing, open this function group in the T code AC80 and we can go through that also. So here we'll double click here. There are one more method, like here if you click on the change icon, so system will ask maintenance type change, the create module, create maintenance screen, new field added, etc. But with this, the complete screen is regenerated. And as we have already done the screen modification in the previous session, we have adjusted the layout, we have renamed some of the fields, so that again we have to do separately. So to avoid that, so instead of going through this modification option, we can double click here, this is the screen attribute. Here first click on the layout option, layout button. First we'll add that field on the screen layout. Now if you see here, double click here, so you can see the table name hyphen the field name. Okay, so here if you want to add the field, click here, that is dictionary program fields, give the table name, that is ZEMP_master, and just give a star and click on get from dictionary or get from table, get from program. So here you can see all the fields which are already there on the screen. You can see the lock icon here. Now as I have added this new field, only this is allowed to add on the screen. Click here and then press enter or click OK, that is continue. Drag and drop just field on the screen. Double click, so you can see that is EMP master designation. If you want to change the visible length, so we can change the visible length from here. There are two lengths. First one is called as the define length of screen field. This defines what is the actual length of this field, and this is the visible length. Suppose if we have character of 100 char or field of 100 length, but we don't want to display the complete 100 character on the screen. So in that case, the defined length can be 100 and we can set the visible length, let's say 20-25 like that. Okay, so just to show how it is worked, I am making it here as 25. Don't change this field. This will come from the database data element. We can play with the visible length. Press enter. Now here we have assigned the field. Now how to add the label. So if you double click in the previous field, so here we can see the first is a table name with star, and in the text is given, that is label is given. So we can simply create a text element, text field from here, just drag and drop here, double click, we can give any name here, let's say T designation, we can give any name here, and let's say here the description, that is designation. Save, check and activate. Now once we add that field on the layout, we'll be able to see that field on the screen. Let me come out of this screen, and if I go again, so we can see, okay, it's still okay, it is here. I want to bring that field here. Now what I want to show here first, as we have add the field on the screen, if you enter any value, it will disappear. Because the one important part after adding that field on the screen is we have to add that field in the flow logic process after input, and you can see here there's a loop, and between this chain and end chain we have to add a new field. So here add our new field, that is designation. Save, check and activate. Now also I want to change the position of the field. So again go back to layout, and what I want is that field I want exactly after the department. Okay, so just drag and drop that field here. Save and activate. Close. Come out of this. Now again run the transaction code which we have created earlier, that is z_create_emp. Now we can see the designation here. Let me type here as ABAP consultant. Now this time we can say it is properly on the screen. Let's say SD consultant. Now all these are coming in the capital letter. So how to make this as a small letter or to save as per the entered by the user, that also we'll see here. Again go back to SE11, utilities, table maintenance generator, double click on the screen, go to change mode, layout. Now I want that if I enter the capital value, system should accept as a capital, and if I enter the small letter, system should accept that value as a small letter. So for that double click here, and here we can see the upper/lowercase. So we have to select this checkbox and close. Save and activate. It is activated successfully. Come out of the table. Again run the same T code, z_create_emp. Now this time we will see about, if I here I am entering as the first two as capital letter and I am entering as consultant. So this time we can see system will accept as per the details I enter, the first two as capital and remaining as a small. So in this way we can also control the capital and a small letter on the screen. Save. Cross check the value. Yes, it is there. Okay, so in this way we can do the addition of a newly added field in the table in the table maintenance generator. So in this way we're done with this session.